To get an Amazon Prime 30-day free trial, it's as easy as clicking the link down in the description or the top comment down below. That'll take you to this page. Now, if you're between 18 and 24 years old, or if you're a student, you actually get 6 months free. So you can click that link down there as well to see if you qualify. If you don't, 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime. If you've already used your free trial, then you may not qualify for a new one, but this will allow you to get all the fast delivery, also Prime Big Day deals. You can participate in that, and then Prime Video unlimited streaming, as well as Amazon Music. So you can cancel that Spotify membership, right? And just go do Amazon Music with your Prime membership. So that's the 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime, link in the description. And some of you actually probably qualify for 6 months, as well as half off your Prime membership after that, which is pretty awesome. So take a look at that, see if you qualify. If not, 30-day free trial is easy enough.